Hi, this is Adam from Times. Today we'll be looking at creating invoice transactions and managing your invoice records. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create or record an invoice, how to view and add items to an invoice, how to edit your invoice records, and how to duplicate, delete, or export your invoices. Let's get started. To create or record an invoice, click the New Invoice button. A modal pops up where you can either type in the invoice details or upload the invoice using the attach icon. For quick processing, keep uploads within 15,000 characters, about 100 entries, or a maximum of 10 pages. This helps the system process your data faster. In this case, I'll type in my invoice details. As you can see, I've asked Adam to record this invoice, including the customer, amount, items, due date, and other necessary details. Once I click Send, Adam processes the information, and the invoice is recorded successfully. You can see the invoice record on the invoice table. To view the items that make up this invoice, I'll click on the total amount field of the record. As you can see, Adam displays the list of items, quantities, prices, and other details, exactly as I entered them. If you want to record more items to the invoice, click the plus icon on the action column. A new row opens where you can record an additional item, including the name, quantity, account, amount, and other details. Once you're done, click Save, and the invoice total amount updates instantly. It's important to note that all fields on the invoice table are editable. You can change the invoice title, invoice number, or even the due date, giving you the flexibility to make changes as needed. Now, let's look at some other actions on the invoice records. If I select a record using the checkbox, the Row Action button activates. From here, I can choose to duplicate or delete an invoice. For example, I'll select this invoice via the checkbox and use the Row Action menu to click Duplicate. Once I confirm to duplicate, a copy of the invoice is instantly added to the table. This is especially useful if you have recurring invoice transactions and don't want to re-enter the same details every time. To delete an invoice or multiple invoices, select one or more records, then click the Delete option from the Row button Action menu. A modal pops up for confirmation, and after confirming, the records are removed from the table. To export your invoices, click the Export button. A modal appears asking if you'd like to export as an Excel file. Once you confirm, your invoices are exported and saved to your system. Now, let's say on your invoice record, you have invoices that have been paid. That means their payment status is paid. And you probably want to attach a receipt or supporting document as proof. All you need to do is navigate to the attachment column of that invoice record and click on the Attach icon. A dialog box opens for you to select the file that you want to attach. Once you select the file to upload, it automatically gets attached to that invoice record. After uploading, you can easily preview the file by clicking on it. From here, you have three actions: Preview, Update, or Remove. Clicking Preview lets you open and view the attached file. Clicking Update reopens the dialog box so you can replace the file with another. Clicking Remove deletes the file from that invoice record. And that's it for today. In our next video, we'll be looking at downloading invoices to send to your customers and managing invoice payments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.